And do you know, this whole world is facing the lockdown period. I am also too facing the lockdown period, but not very boringly. I am celebrating this lockdown period as if I am enjoying my vacations, sleeping like anything, enjoying my cooking and some exercises, some dance steps. And if you want to learn some recipes from me, some dance steps, some exercises, then follow me. Hey, so I am in my recipes too. So you can see this all things and you can know that I am not going to dance, not going to cook. I am going to teach you one good recipe. It is mug cake. So the ingredients required are milk, oil, milk 2 tablespoons, oil 1 tablespoon, refined flour 2 tablespoons, 1 tablespoon sugar, 1 tablespoon cocoa powder and 1 pinch of baking soda, means baking powder. Yes, so if you don't have refined flour, so you can use the flour which you make rotis. So if you want, hey, I am back. First, we will take the oil. We have added the oil, if you want to look it. Then the sugar. The whole sugar we will add. After adding, we will mix it. After mixing, it should look like this. And I have mixed the oil and the sugar. Now, I will add 2 tablespoons of milk. After adding, I will mix it. After mixing, it should look like this. And now, I am going to add all my dry ingredients. First, the flour. Now, a pinch of baking powder and the cocoa. First, I will add some cocoa and mix like this. Now, I will stir it. After mixing all my ingredients, the batter should look like this. It's smelling so delicious. If you want to add some more odors, so you can add 2 drops of vanilla essence. It gives a very delicious smell. So guys, are you ready to see this mug cake blowing out like a delicious mug cake? So let's go here. Now I'm here to bake this cake.
Start.
We will microwave it for 1 minute. We have kept it inside. See here. The microwave should be start in 1 minute. Yes. If the cake is not ready in 1 minute, so you can set in 2 minutes. Wow, it's looking so nice. Guys, I'm ready with my small spoon. Ta-da-da! It's very hot, so we need one cloth. Here. And I'm going to remove my mug cake.
Start.
I am ready with my mug cake. Look at this. It's smelling so delicious. Let me taste it. It's so delicious. So friends, it's enough for now and please follow these steps. This is the best way to enjoy the lockdown period. Bye.